Welcome to Nambardar TV. Today we're coming to you live from the Lahore, where the Nambardar convention is underway. Let's go straight to our correspondent Ali Hassan, who's been covering the event. Ali, what's the latest?
Thanks, Naveed. The atmosphere here is electric. The convention has brought together people from all over Pakistan, united in their demand for justice. Nambardar A.R. Garoria and Nambardar Raja Azmat Ali Kayani, advocate, are leading the charge. Let's hear from them.
We're not just fighting for our rights, but for our very survival. The government's policies have pushed us to the brink, and it's time we take a stand.
We will not be silenced and we will not be defeated. We will fight for our rights in the streets and in the courts.
The convention has also seen the launch of the Nambardar Etihad Pakistan, a new political party that aims to represent the interests of farmers, laborers, and marginalized communities. The party's manifesto promises to fight for social and economic justice and to challenge the status quo.
We're tired of being ignored and exploited. We demand fair prices for our produce and an end to the corruption that's strangling our communities.
We're fighting for our rights, for better working conditions and for a living wage. We're here to support the farmers and laborers and to demand a more just and equal society.
Thanks, Ali.